Forming a Texas LLC from outside the US might sound complicated, but it's not. After helping over 3,000 international founders, we can tell you, Texas is actually one of the easiest states to form an LLC in. Yes, StartGlobal can handle your entire Texas LLC setup for you, from formation to EIN and compliance. With a 4.7-star rating, StartGlobal has helped form more than 3,000 LLCs for founders across 150 countries. If you need support in opening a Texas LLC, you can contact us by clicking the link below in the description. Now, let's understand why thousands of international founders choose Texas. First, there's no state income tax. You keep more of what you earn. Second, most small LLCs don't pay franchise tax until they hit the revenue threshold. This means zero tax burden when starting out. Third, simple annual compliance. Just 2 straightforward filings per year. And the best part, you don't need US residency, a social security number, or to even visit the US to set this up. So if Texas seemed confusing before, don't worry. This is much easier than most people think. Now, let me walk through the basic steps to register an LLC in Texas. Step 1. Choose your LLC name. Your LLC name must be unique in Texas and must include LLC or Limited Liability Company. Before finalizing your name, check availability on the Texas Secretary of State name database. If the name is already in use or too similar to an existing business, your filing will be rejected. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. Every Texas LLC needs a registered agent with a physical address in Texas. Post office boxes are not allowed. The registered agent is responsible for receiving official state notices and legal documents on behalf of your company. If you don't live in the US, simply use a professional registered agent service with the help of StartGlobal. We will find a registered agent for you to handle official mail and state notices for you. Step 3. File Certificate of Formation. This is Form 205. This is the official document that creates your Texas LLC. In Texas, it is filed with the Texas Secretary of State. It includes your LLC name, registered agent details, management structure, member managed or manager managed. Once this filing is approved, your Texas LLC legally exists. Step 4. Create operating agreement. Here's the catch. Texas doesn't require you to file an operating agreement with the state, but US banks will require it to open your business account. Without one, your application gets rejected. It outlines your ownership structure, member roles, profit sharing, and how your LLC is managed. Step 5. Get your EIN. This is your US business tax ID. This is required for banking, taxes, and payment processing. Good news, you don't need a social security number or ITIN to get one. As a non-US founder, you can apply using IRS Form SS4, though the process has specific requirements for international applicants. Step 6. Open a business bank account. Once your Texas LLC is approved and you have your EIN, the next step is opening a US business bank account. A business bank account allows you to receive customer payments, pay business expenses, keep personal and business finances separate. Most banks will ask for certificate of formation, EIN confirmation letter, operating agreement, valid passport or government ID. Many banks now offer remote account opening for international founders, making this process much easier than it used to be. Step 7. File franchise tax and annual report. Texas does not have a traditional annual report like some other states. Instead, every Texas LLC must file Texas Franchise Tax Report, Public Information Report every year. Even if your LLC owes zero tax, these filings are still required. But here's the good news. Most new LLCs fall under the no tax due threshold. This means you owe zero franchise tax until you hit a certain revenue level. Filing is simple once it's set up. Failure to file can result in penalties, loss of good standing, administrative dissolution of your LLC. To keep your Texas LLC compliant, maintain an active registered agent in Texas. File your franchise tax and public information report every year. Keep your company records up to date. Maintain proper separation between personal and business finances. Texas makes this simple. You just need consistency. So there you have it. Step-by-step process on setting up your LLC in Texas without any delays or rejections. If you need dedicated support, choose StartGlobal to form your Texas LLC. StartGlobal handles everything end-to-end: formation, EIN, registered agent, compliance, and banking support. Rated 4.7 stars and backed by Silicon Valley leaders, including Biz Stone, co-founder of Twitter, and Balaji Srinivasan, former CTO of Coinbase. We're also part of the Techstars Global Startup Network. The entire process is 100% online from anywhere in the world. You get transparent all-inclusive pricing, no hidden fees, and a 100% refund guarantee. You also get human support within 24 hours whenever you need it. Here's what a global founder from Italy has to say about StartGlobal.
Hi, I'm recording this testimonial on the behalf of Copy Hero LLC. We have been using StartGlobal for more than 3 years, and their service is top-notch. What we like the most about it is how simple it is to use, the fact that everything is integrated in the platform, and that they guide you step by step through the processes of opening and managing an LLC. Highly recommend. Thank you.
Another founder says, StartGlobal has been a great help for me in forming US LLC as a non-resident. They follow up everything starting from company formation, EIN process, and opening of bank accounts. I recommend StartGlobal greatly for others. And another founder says, I had an amazing experience with StartGlobal. As a founder, I could focus on innovative startup ideas while StartGlobal took care of everything else. So if you're ready to start your Texas LLC from anywhere in the world, click the link in the description and get started with StartGlobal today.